I'm eating. I'm gonna take a video of me eating.
Harley, come get some cake, buddy. What?
So sweet.
Looking for it.
Oh, you got one. No one who doesn't have one.
Oh,
Is that ice cream cake?
Holy big spoon.
Oh, well, the cake's almost gone. My cake lasts like, cause I have like 2 big cakes and they're just for me. This was for me and my dad. But then, so I ended up having it for like more than a week. I never eat it though. No, no. Look at my piece.
I never.
Very huge, man.
Yeah, I remember.
Like
this
Salisbury House.
We had this kind of cake for Angela's birthday too.
I remember I had this cake for someone's birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is song. We and Natty have the same.
Huh?
We have the same video. We have it. All three of us have the same. I don't get it.
The same forks.
Oh
my god. Same.
Same.
Not the same.
Same.
That's different. Look how big that is. Oh.
Mine not. It's solid.
Give me, oh, look at how big that is. Oh.
I forced them to sing happy birthday. I'm
Why?
Cause it's her birthday.
like, yeah.
My god, my freaking pieces are ruined.
I barely was saying that. I was like,
I care about her so much.
I care about.
I would take a bullet for her.
Not even.
I would jump in front of a train for her. Not like you. That's why he's saying that.
I'll dodge a car.
Cause you're gay.
No, not just the middle.
I don't like the middle.
Okay.
Not really though.
You guys are haters, man.
I like the whipped cream and chocolate thing.
Ooh.
Like good.
Just like cranberry.
I know it is.
Ew.
I don't like cranberries.
Neither.
Me either.
Did she say me either, girl? Shut up. Okay, that was offensive.
No.
No, you.
By a little girl.
Do not wrestling attention.
Oh!
I did it. Do it to her.
Sean,
Shut
small
up.
cake is now. Ugh. Can you see it?
Go back this one. Yeah, right there. Right there. Act like I'm going to take a piece.
She's just gonna murder the cake.
The cake. Faces will do it. Like that.
Oh!
She did it.
I want to get a shot where I can record everyone.
You could take a picture of her.
I almost slept.
See, I gave this one to her.
Can it see all of them?
And Tito gave her one of them. Well, duh, she gets.
Can it see all of them? No. Like it worked. I'm trying to get through. How are you?
I'm thirsty.
No.
Can I have water?
No.
You want water or orange?
There?
Soda?
There you go.
People can stick in their heads whenever they want. Hey.
Here she go. Here, take this one too. That one's yours.
Drink it all, man. Drink it all. No, this is 75 cents one.
Hurry up.
Or cheap, right?
Hurry up.
loud.
That's actually funny.
Who cares? I'm a freaking birthday girl.
Just kidding.
Who else is thirsty? You want a drink?
Can you guys use your manners?
I did. I said, excuse me. That can be Harmony's.
This can be mine.
It's me, okay? Yeah, you didn't say
Excuse me there.
no.
Why don't you want cake? You don't like the cake?
No. I don't like your cake. But I sure like my cake.
Give me
I don't like your. I don't like
Cake!
my cake. You don't get it. You know?
Whoever had a vegetable.
That looks like a freaking volcano.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Like,
Yay.
why does no one like cranberry? Because it's disgusting. That's what like old people used to try to do when you're small.
The
They're like,
Torture?
yeah.
really, you're recording yourselves, guys?
Like the sun.
Yeah, because it's a best friend.
No!
Yeah. Just kidding.
Next thing you know, Karen,
I like
So, Harmony, you don't like the cherry?
I don't like it.
why are you asking me weird questions about?
I'm just asking. Well, you don't have to be rude. God.
Not real.
Yeah, she is.
Who's downstairs?
My dad. Your ass.
See?
Shut up.
You guys swear all the time. I don't like it.
You
We're
swear.
at Serenity too.
Yeah, you're like jackass. Jackass.
Oh, stop.
You know what jackass is? An animal.
Hey, you sure you want a little piece of cake?
No.
Okay. Did you make a mess? Where's your cup?
I forgot to fucking tell him.
Do you want a cup?
Sure. It's not even close to Easter.
Alright.
2 months.
Okay, we can get whatever cups we want. Even beer cups. Just
Remember
kidding.
those little ones I found? Remember? Those little cups I found in the basement? The red ones?
Oh yeah, shot cups. I found like 3 shot cups in my yard while I was raking.
I found ones. Like this.
Raking?
Raking.
Oh, they're like this big. But then
Actually.
they're like small, but then it's like really skinny, but swirly.
Serenity, take these 2 for school tomorrow for lunch.
Okay.
You want a little bread or no?
Is it your phone? Why don't you save it? Take it to someone behind.
You want to take a break too, honey? Okay.
Casey, don't put this in the sink.
Aw.
Look,
Too. No.
that's yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, not you're having fun. Mostly all I think that you have is a sandwich. And it's just like,
You're so mean. What do you have?
I don't know, a lot of stuff.
Fries.
Sometimes, not all the time. Not like, I don't know.
I have fries today. I'm gonna see it tomorrow. Rolls.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I just said to you.
Oh.
'Cause,
That's in Harmony. This is a picture.
Did you eat?